Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Dearest aspirants, today I am with you with great news about CSS and Screening Test 2022. Special Assistant to the Prime Minister on Establishment Muhammad Shahzad Arbab on Thursday announced that the screening test for CSS 2022 would be held in February next year. He made the announcement at a press conference along with FPSC Chairman Zahid Saeed. PM8 says that the screening test aims at selecting serious candidates for CSS written exam. He further highlighted that the initiative would reduce the recruitment process from 20 months to 12 months, enabling the FPSC to select highly motivated candidates for CSS written exam. Mr. Arbab said the screening test before comparative examinations was being practiced all over the world. He further explained, over the years, the number of candidates for CSS CE exam had increased. FPSC had observed that every year 10% from 1998 to 2019 had increased. And surprisingly, in 2020 and 2021, 69% of CSS CE candidate had increased. This sudden increase in numbers has made screening tests inevitable for CSS exams. Mr. Zahid Said further said the score of screening test would be valid only for the same year and would not be counted in the final merit list. He further said that all graduates having second division and between 21 to 30 years age and the cut date for the age is 31st December 2021, they can apply for examination. There would be no negative marking in this test and it would comprise of 200 MCQs. The time duration would be of 200 minutes. For the purpose of transparency, he added that the answer key of the screening test would be uploaded on Commission's website on the same day. As far as syllabus is concerned, Mr. Saeed also quoted the statistical analysis of FPSC that had been conducted in the last 5 years. As far as screening test syllabus is concerned, he explained further. FPSC had conducted a statistical analysis on past 5 years examinations. Aspirants all over Pakistan had scored 33% marks from compulsory subjects on average. He further said the screening test essentially consists of the compulsory subjects. Details are as Islamic studies for Muslims, and for non-Muslims they can opt for civics or Islamic studies or ethics, and it is of 20 scores or 20 marks. Next, Urdu grammar, usage and translation, this is also of 20 marks. And next one is English and English vocabulary, grammar, usage and comprehension, and its score is 50 marks. And next one, general abilities, basic arithmetic, algebra, geometry, logical problem solving, analytical abilities and mental abilities, and the score for this is 60 marks. Next one, general knowledge, everyday science, current affairs and Pakistan affairs, and the score for this area is 50 marks. So this was all about from today, and these are the news published in Dawn on 5th of November 2021. Thank you very much for staying with me. I'm going to start my new session for CSS. If you are a serious candidate, join us. Thank you very much.